Beneath the surface of the world's oceans lives a creature so intelligent, so social, and so emotionally complex that scientists still struggle to understand it. Dolphins are not just animals that swim fast and jump high. They recognize themselves, call each other by name, cooperate like trained teams, and may even understand the concept of death. To understand dolphins is to question what intelligence really means and how close we might not be alone in it. Dolphins belong to a group of marine mammals called cetaceans, which also includes whales and porpoises. There are over 40 known species of dolphins living in oceans and rivers around the world. They breathe air, give birth to live young, nurse their calves, and maintain body heat, just like humans. But unlike most mammals, dolphins have evolved to thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. What makes them truly remarkable isn't just their speed or agility, it's what's happening inside their heads. Dolphins have some of the largest brains relative to body size in the animal kingdom, second only to humans. But size isn't the whole story. Dolphin brains are highly folded, increasing surface area and processing power. They also contain specialized cells called spindle neurons, which are linked to empathy, self-awareness, and complex social emotions. These same neurons exist in humans and great apes, and almost nowhere else. Dolphins have passed the mirror self-recognition test, meaning they can recognize themselves as individuals. This places them in an elite group alongside humans, chimpanzees, elephants, and magpies. They are capable of problem-solving, long-term memory, and even abstract thinking. Dolphins live in complex social groups called pods, sometimes made up of dozens or even hundreds of individuals. Within these pods, dolphins form lifelong friendships, alliances, and family bonds. Some males cooperate for decades, forming coalitions to help each other find mates and defend territory. Even more astonishing, dolphins have names. Each dolphin develops a unique signature whistle, and other dolphins use that exact whistle to call them specifically. This is the only known example in the animal kingdom of vocal labels that function like individual names. Dolphins remember these calls for decades, even after years of separation. Dolphins possess one of the most powerful biological tools on Earth, echolocation. By emitting high-frequency clicks and listening to the echoes, dolphins can create detailed mental images of their surroundings. They can detect the size, shape, density, and even internal structure of objects, including fish hidden beneath sand or inside rocks. Some studies suggest dolphins can see a human fetus using echolocation. This ability turns sound into sight, allowing dolphins to navigate pitch-black depths with extraordinary precision. Dolphins are master strategists. They work together to herd fish into tight balls, take turns feeding, and even use tools. In some regions, dolphins have been observed carrying sponges on their snouts to protect themselves while foraging on sharp seabeds, a learned behavior passed down through generations. This isn't instinct, it's culture. Different dolphin populations have different hunting techniques, vocal dialects, and traditions, much like human society. Despite their friendly reputation, dolphins are not always gentle. They have been observed engaging in aggression, dominance displays, and even violence toward other animals and occasionally each other. Some species display behaviors that suggest play, experimentation, or social hierarchy enforcement. This complexity reminds scientists that intelligence doesn't mean kindness, it means choice. Dolphins are not ocean angels. They are thinking beings navigating a competitive world. Dolphins display behaviors that strongly suggest emotional awareness. Mothers have been seen carrying dead calves for days, sometimes weeks. Pods have been observed slowing down to support injured or sick members, even lifting them to the surface so they can breathe. In rare cases, dolphins have helped injured humans, forming protective circles around swimmers or guiding them to safety. Scientists debate whether this is empathy, instinct, or learned behavior, but the patterns are difficult to ignore. For thousands of years, humans have been fascinated by dolphins, from ancient myths to modern science. Today, dolphins face growing threats: ocean noise pollution, plastic waste, fishing nets, habitat destruction, and climate change. Ironically, one of the most intelligent species on Earth is struggling to survive in a world shaped by another. Protecting dolphins isn't just about conservation, it's about recognizing intelligence beyond ourselves. Dolphins are not just animals of the sea. They are thinkers, communicators, strategists, and social beings living in a world we are only beginning to understand. The question is no longer, are dolphins intelligent? The real question is whether humanity is wise enough to protect minds so different, yet so familiar from our own.